Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing system test 4. I have cords plugged into the power bar here. So I think you guys can guess what that means. This cord leads up here, and the alarm that's up here, I've had this for a while, is the Wheelock 31T115. Yes, this runs on 120 volts AC, no other. Like, this doesn't run off batteries or anything, runs out of current from the wall, and yeah, it's really loud. What's down here is a Edwards 374 Adaptahorn, and this thing is old and this thing is loud, and you'll see this in a minute. So I have this power bar here, and as you can see, I have the switch here. I don't want to cut any cords, so this is the switch that activates the alarms. Let's just get started. That's really loud. Good thing I had hearing protection on though, because if I didn't have that on, I'd probably be deaf. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna see if I unplug the 384 for a minute and see how loud the 31T is on its own. It's a lot quieter, as you can see. Like, that thing's not as loud. Not as loud, but definitely very loud. So, yeah, and as you can see, it's a little bit scratchy because it is, vibrating the wall. And yeah, this thing vibrates a lot. Let me just, see here. That vibrates it so much. And when I was walking down the stairs over here, because that is actually leaned up against the stairs, as I was walking down, I could feel it vibrating the rail. So yeah, that was really loud. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.